On behalf of our association, I would like also to recognize the attendance and guidance of our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent with our CID Chief, and of course our very own, at the same time, very popular and generous Mayor Honorable Marcos Mamay. And of course, together, his humble and beautiful lady, si Ma'am Cathy. At the same time, Ma'am Cathy is the district in charge of Nonongan. Very humble yan. And of course, the performers tonight, it is our great pleasure and opportunity in you extending your talents in honor of the participants from Division of None of the Norte. Again, thank you, and usual, sana makikita tayo.